All right, the project gadgets. So it's the one gadget that gives you overview of all the projects that you have selected, a very nice summary. At the same time, you can go in and select each individual project and get more information about it. So let's add a project gadget to our dashboard. So once we have added a project gadget to our dashboard, we can see the summary of different projects that we have selected here. So once again, you can click here to get more information about the projects that you would like to. Either you can select all of them or none of them. It's up to you. So in this case, we have 3 projects and we get the overview of these 3 projects, total active task in each project, and a little bit of activity. And what I can do now is I can go into each individual project and see what's happening there. So in this case, my finance project, I can see the overview when it was created, total active task, I can see the activity, how many tasks are new one and how many have been archived. And at the same time, I can see all the tasks with all the different widgets. In this project, I can see what has been archived, completed, latest updated, and latest created. You can click here to go in and get more activity, so who has done what in this particular project, and you can see all the files, so basically all the attachments to different tasks. And you can click here to see all the members in this project. So I can just simply click and switch between these projects and see what is going on. So instead of going into each individual project, I have everything now in the dashboard thanks to this project gadget. Cool, right? So make sure to go easynote.com, check out the dashboard and add the project widget to make sure to use this lovely, lovely dashboard. See you on easynote.com. Bye-bye.